by Antwerp. This is Antwerp, and I'm going to teach you guys how to roll a ciggy. This is going a bit off the rails.
Yeah, it is.
First thing you've got to do.
Is this a cig or a ciggy?
Ciggy.
What's the difference between a cig and a ciggy?
A cig is what like average people smoke. A ciggy is what bad boys smoke.
Right. Okay.
Right. First of all, you've got to figure out which way you roll from.
Well, first of all, you've got to figure out whether you want to smoke or not.
Yeah. First of all, do you want to smoke? The answer should be no. But if you feel like a bad boy, then the answer is yeah.
It's really funny. He's got cigs on his hoodie.
It's just stony, and it's got cigs
Oh
on
yeah,
it.
I've only
This
just.
is Post Malone merch.
You've been buying Post Malone merch?
Yeah, look.
Are you a fanboy now?
Yeah.
What kind of fucking loser buys merch?
He's my boy.
Why did you buy it then?
I
Why
didn't.
just
Right,
if you
Send
want-
me it for free. Right.
Can you
You've
get
got to
on?
figure out which way you roll from.
You've always
I
got to
roll-
do it in steps.
Yeah, I roll from the left.
Prison rolls out.
Yeah, I roll
Not
from
that-
the left, whereas
not
most
heard
people
it
like
yet?
to roll from the right. So what you've got to do is you've got to find out, right, each paper, you'll have these little cut
Stop
corners
moving
here.
around.
These little cut corners here, and you'll have a side of like what looks a bit shiny.
Yes.
That's your sticky. You're going to lick that later on. But for a start, you've got to figure out which way you want your filter. See, I have my filter on the left, but a lot of people have theirs on the right, because I'm a bit of an oddball, so I have mine on the left. So what you want to do is you want to get it into a little bit like a canoe. You want to make a canoe out of your paper and put the filter in. Put your finger on there, your two fingers underneath. there,
Stop
look.
moving around.
Lloydie,
I'm trying to get to the angle where you can
the first
explain
ever
it.
episode of How To with Hell on Earth.
That's
we
what he's
said
just said.
We did say that
Oh,
earlier.
well, I'll go.
Alright. You want to get two fingers underneath like that to make it into a canoe and one finger on the top. There you're ready to put your tobacco in. Or if you're a bad boy, your backy. So you get the average amount of backy in. You want to put your clump in like that and you want to spread it apart. So you just grab your finger there and just
put your clump in.
you spread it down until you've got enough in. See, I might need a little bit more in
I
there.
can't see because of your hands. Okay.
So you start off with a clump and then you just spread it down just to evenly pack it out. So you want to make sure it's all even. There, I'm done with that now, so I'm ready to put my backy away. So you just fold your backy back up, put it in your motherfucking pocket. Right, this is the hard part that a lot of people don't get. So now you've packed your cig, now you need to roll it. So you grab your fingers like this, two fingers either side, and you start to roll up into a sort of cylinder. So you want to get your backy nice and packed down and all rolled up. So like that. So if you want to open it up again, look, now you've got to see you've got a nicely rolled up backy. This little bit there, that's going to annoy you later on in life, so you just want to push that down and get it into there. So once you've got it nice and rolled up, this is the hard part. This is where you've got to tuck it. So you grab your fingers like this, evenly spread apart. I can't see because Mike's in the way. And you want to roll it down, get the top of your fingers to tuck it in. I can't see. Lloydie, you've made me mess that up because I can't fucking see it.
I need to be able to
Yeah, I need
see
to be able
it.
to see myself. So you want to tuck it down like that, push in and roll up. If you've got that bit there, that don't matter. Who needs a perfect ciggy there? Now you're ready to lick. Just get your tongue nice and moist. And you want to lick from bottom to top.
Sorry, is that in your face?
Yeah, and then what you want to do then is you want to just roll it over and stick it down. So you're always going to have this little bit of bum fluff at top, but all you got to do is rip that off, throw it away. Now you've got a nicely perfect ciggy. Ready to smoke.
Did you really just do that? Gums out, sun's out.
I was going to light it up, but I can't stop. Right, then you want to light it up. I'm going to get your lighter. Make sure it works. It's not working right well because it's a bit windy. Wind guard it.
Oh, you're such a fucking tramp.
Perfect ciggy for the bad boys out there. Tune in next time on How To with Hell on Earth.
Said on next week's we're going to be making a petrol bomb.